All right, welcome back, everybody. Some track and field news. One of our faves, Shericka Jackson, was recently asked if she would return to the 400 meters, and she says she doesn't rule it out. All right. Jackson, a 400 meter specialist for most of her professional career, has not ruled out a return to the distance next season. I am willing to run all events, she said. If my coach says we will run the 400, I am always up for it. Who is this coach, you might ask? It's Paul Francis, brother of famous sprint coach and coach of Elaine Thompson and former coach of Shelley and Fraser Price, Stephen Francis. All right. So Paul is responsible for Jackson's trajectory and what she does in terms of preparations for next season. All right. She says, I like to challenge myself. I don't limit myself to what I can do. I go after what I want. I work really hard. If it means going back to the 400 next year, I am definitely up for that task. All right. So this is somebody who's willing to challenge herself, which is a sign of a champion. You know what I mean? I expect more to come from Shericka. All right. We continue. But for me, I love challenges. And this year was one of them. Sprinting challenges me a lot. If my coach and I discuss that I go back to the 400, I have no problem. It is not a problem to run all events. Okay. So you realize she's not ruling out saying she's cutting out the 100 or 200. She would just be adding it to what she does. Is that possible? What do you think? Interesting. All right. Remember to like and subscribe. A million thanks for all the support that we've been getting so far. We really appreciate it. All right. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and we'll see you next time. Peace.